Welcome back to Bhargav Shorthand classes. We have learnt circle yes, consonant yes becoming a circle. For plurals, it is large circle. For initial SW, again large circle. ST loop can be written initially, immediately, finally, followed by initial hooks. So, actually, now we are going to the next chapter, that is circle yes or ST loop to initial hooks. Our ground rule is to write circle yes with left motion. There is no chance for writing right motion till now. But if circle yes or ST loop is written with left motion, with right motion, with right motion, it represents yes plus R plus consonant. So this R plus consonant is nothing but, for straight strokes it is, especially this is for straight stroke, per, bar, tar, dar, shar, jar, kar and gar, for which we are adding this circle yes initially. So if yes is circle yes is added, the two written with right motion, then it becomes yes, SPR, SBR, STR, SDR, SJR, SJR, SKR and SGR. Circle yes written with right motion, this becomes SPR, SBR, STR, SDR, SJR, SJR, SKR, SGR. Got it? In case of ST loop, ST, this becomes STPR. Per remains as it is. ST loop is added, that's it. So STTR, STKR. Got it? Now let us go with some examples so that you will be more clear. We know pray. Pray is written as per on the line. If you write spray, circless per, this is known as circless per. Tray, tar on the line. Tray, circless tar on the line. screw, cur, oo, screw, circlus cur, oo. If you say seeker, yes is there, seeker. So we will write circlus cur, vowel will be preceding side of cur. So this becomes yes, then cur. In between there is a vowel. So this is becoming seeker. Cur as it is. Right? As well, supper. Circlus per, but vowel is preceding side for per. Before per, the vowel is there. Second place, preceding side. Setter. Again, before ter, vowel is there. So, preceding side. Circlus ter, preceding side. Second place, light dot. Cider. Circlus der. Preceding side for der. I diphthong. It is not. It is like following side for yes. And then preceding side for der. Cider. Stutter. With stilu. Stutter. Stilu. Ter. Light dash. Got it? This is what is basically circle written with right motion adds R hook inside the circle. So, circle yes written with right motion adds R inside circle yes. Means R hook is inscribed in circle yes. R hook is not seen. Instead, circle is seen with right motion. Got it? Now, in case of L hook, basically our circle yes itself is left motion. So there is no option to write circle inside. So rather circle written with left motion adds L hook. No way. So circle yes is written inside L hook. Inside L hook. So that circle yes and L hook are clearly visible. Both should be clean. Both should be clearly seen. No option. Settle. Circle yes. Tull. Preceding side. Tull ki preceding on the light dot. Settle. Splice. Circlus pull. Circlus. Circle and L hook must be clearly seen. Splice. Supply. Same circlus pull. Second place light dash. I diphthong. Supply. Circle yes and R hook must be clearly seen. Saddle. Circlus dull. Saddle. Cycle. Circlus cull. Cycle. Now, third concept, if SPR rather or SPL. This is an example. If circle S followed by R or L hooked consonant occurs after a consonant, then circles plus, example, per or circle S plus pul must be clearly seen. Means R hook, here R hook cannot be inscribed. It must be clearly seen when it is coming as second syllable. First ఒక consonant undi, then circles per or circles pul వస్తే కుదరదు. Possible after one consonant circles bul is coming. So P circles bul. Circle S and L hook must be clearly seen. Prosper. Here first per, then circles per. No chance. Per and circles should be clearly seen. There is no option. Per, circles per. Circle S and R hooked second consonant must be clearly seen. There is no option. If it is coming as a second consonant, rather second syllable, right? Traceable. Ter circles bul. Destroy. D circles ter. Destroy. Extra. K circles ter. Extra. Clear? In case of curved strokes, ఇప్పటిదాకా మనం straight strokes, we are talking only about the straight stroke. In case of curved strokes, R or L must be clearly seen after circle S. No option. Right? Suffer. Circles fur. Civil. Circles wall. Summer. Circles mur. Sooner. Circles ner. Saver. Circles were. Deceiver. D circles were. Got it? In case of curved strokes, circle S and fur or circle S, well, whatever it is. Circle and R hook or L hook must be clearly seen. There is no second option. Got it? Next video, grammar as follows.